Last season, we didn't get to do this part, the Moneyball part, the building the roster part. Like we as in me and myself. So it feels good. सीजन 1 के बाद अभी वापस सीजन 3 में एक्टिवली रोस्टर बिल्डिंग में पार्टिसिपेट करने का मौका मिल रहा है तो फील्स गुड. ओके सो विद रिगार्ड्स टू द रोस्टर हम लोग बिल्ड कर रहे हैं. Tryouts will begin sometime next week. We have shortlisted some of the candidates from the application. We had more than 800 applications for our tryouts. उसमें से हम filter करके about 10% of them are getting called in for actual gameplay, and उसमें से then the filtration process will begin with the coaches, the coaching staff. We have some esports consultants that we are also bringing on board. ये time, like I said, we're leaving no stone unturned. No stone left unturned. बरोबर बोला ना? हाँ. I don't know. It sounded weird in my head. We're leaving no stone left unturned. पूरी मेहनत कर रहे हैं दिल से. भाड़ में या मुहावरा. हर बार किया ना पूरा मेहनत. देखो फर्स्ट सीजन जेन्युइनली हमारी पूरी मेहनत लॉजिस्टिक्स में गई. रोस्टर बनाने के टाइम पे मेहनत की थी एपिक प्लेयर्स के पे, बट बाकी कुछ टाइम दे ही नहीं पाए हम पर्सनली. एंड वी डिड एवरीथिंग वी कुड फ्रॉम अ लॉजिस्टिकल स्टैंड पॉइंट, विच जस्ट टीम को प्रैक्टिस करने का मौका ही नहीं मिला बिकॉज इतने सारे लॉजिस्टिकल और ऑपरेशनल इश्यूज थे जो हमने फिक्स किए. सीजन 2 में we let the coaching staff do their bit, and every time we wanted to step in and interfere, we said no, let them do their job, we will not interfere. We should have probably interfered earlier. I don't know अगर उससे रिजल्ट पे फर्क पड़ता, but at least हमें ऐसे नहीं लगता that we should have stepped in earlier. I'm not saying उससे कुछ असर पड़ता, but ये टाइम वो नहीं रहने वाला है. ये टाइम it is going back to all hands on deck. We're going to make sure that we are the ones that are responsible for every part of it. At least then we're not fighting a battle that we ourselves may not stand behind. Because that's a lot harder, trust me. जब खुद पता है कि स्टेज पे ठुकाई हो रही है एंड यू स्टिल हैव टू बी लाइक नहीं नहीं बट चलेगा होपियम एंड पोपियम, तो हमारा हाल हम समझते हैं what happened this season. I'll tell you the timeline we have in mind. In the next week to 10 days to have our coach signed. उसके बाद the roster trials begin. Probably by the end of this month we should have our roster signed as well. That's the goal. That's the goal. अब ये timelines हमने रखी है. ऊपर नीचे हो सकती है. That's the timelines that we have in mind. So about a week, 10 days for coach, and then about 3 to 4 weeks for the players. Hopefully. ये आपको full inside information मिल रही है. You heard it here first. एक सेकंड गाइस, मैं प्रीएम्प्टिवली बंद कर देता हूँ क्योंकि जब बारिश शुरू हो जाएगी बहुत मुश्किल होगा. बीच सीलिंग इसको बंद करना. सारे प्लेयर्स से बातें चालू है. एवरी प्लेयर दैट यू कैन थिंक ऑफ, ऑल द नेम्स दैट यू आर टैगिंग अस इन, सबसे बात चालू है. वी आर ट्राइंग टू बिल्ड द रोस्टर दैट विल गेट अस टू विन. दैट्स द गोल. It's going to be very interesting this season. Super team probably not, because we've seen it happen in the past. Just getting 5 superstars and putting them together is not going to win us matches. We need to put a team together that's going to get us to win matches. So that's what our focus will be on. कि एक ऐसा roster बनाए that is going to get us to win no matter what it takes. But yeah, we're going to do whatever it takes to get the best players possible. How many Indian players? That depends on the tryouts. Tryouts के लिए तो at least 15-20 है. 15-20 Indian players है हमारी tryouts की shortlist में. So that totally depends on how they play in those tryouts compared to all the other players. Totally उस पर dependent होगा. All our slots are tryout dependent. Like बड़े से बड़ा player, everyone will be trying out. Like and they've all agreed to it. All the players that we are talking to have all agreed to the tryouts. Everyone is confident that they are going to be selected. So it will be nice to see them prove themselves. All the names that you guys are typing in chat, everyone will be given a shot. Don't worry. We want to build a roster that will win. That's the only goal. और कुछ नहीं. और लॉन्ग टर्म रोस्टर नहीं, अभी वाला रोस्टर जो अभी जीते, नॉट इवेंचुअली एक दिन एक सीजन 2-3 साल बाद. 2025 we'll do whatever it takes to build a roster that will win in 2025. We have a rough structure in mind. We have a few players who we would like to build around, but again, completely dependent on the tryouts. The names that we have in mind, if they don't do well in the tryouts, they will be replaced with other names. If the names we have in mind do very well in tryouts, then we go ahead and build that team. If there's new names that come up in the tryouts who we had not thought, their names get added to the list. That's how this works. That's how this is going to go. Because again, we want to build the best team that's going to win. Plain and simple. Or kuch nahi. Singular focus.